What is your name?
My name is Kamar Amirel,
And where do you come from?
from the Philippines.
And what are you doing here in Belgium?
I'm doing my master's, so I'm taking up Master of Science in Environmental Sanitation.
Okay. What do you think about the youth unemployment in your country?
In my country, it's been a problem because, especially for the newly graduates, the students who newly graduated, the rate of unemployment in the country is very high. And in my country, in the Philippines, um, most of the graduates end up with working in the call center agencies. So sometimes they finish like education, or they finish healthcare courses like nursing, but they end up with working in the in different field. Like as I mentioned, they work in call centers. Sometimes they go into medical representative, like sales representative or something, and it's been a problem of the country actually.
Do you think your government takes enough measures to solve the problem of youth unemployment?
Yeah, there are many initiatives, the government has a program for we call it TESDA, Technical Educational Skills Development, something like that, and they are having these trainings on skills, particularly on skills. Yeah, because sometimes the students who graduated may end up with working with another field, so that's why they should acquire skills.
The last question. Have you noticed a difference between unemployment in Belgium and in your country during the time you were here in Belgium?
I didn't much notice of difference, but in here there's really a good program because there even the students can work at the same time while they're studying, and there are lots of help or support. Like there's an office for you where the students could apply for student employment or something. And in my country, as far as my knowledge is concerned, uh, there are summer jobs that are organized by several agencies, but not really organized such as this.
Thank you.